Throughout human history, the moon has captivated our imaginations, inspired myths, and guided our calendars. Among its many wonders, few celestial events are as mesmerizing and mysterious as the lunar eclipse. As Earth's shadow slips across the face of the moon, cultures worldwide have gazed upward in awe, weaving tales and seeking meaning in this cosmic spectacle. But what truly lies behind the mysteries of the lunar eclipse? Let's journey through time and space, unraveling the science, legends, and cultural significance of this remarkable event. A lunar eclipse occurs when the Earth finds itself positioned precisely between the Sun and the Moon. In this rare cosmic alignment, the Earth's shadow is cast onto the Moon, causing its familiar silver glow to dim and, at times, transform into a haunting shade of red. This celestial choreography requires a full moon, but not every full moon brings an eclipse. Only when the Sun, Earth, and Moon are perfectly aligned in what astronomers call syzygy does this phenomenon unfold. Three distinct types of lunar eclipses can occur: the penumbral, the partial, and the total. A penumbral lunar eclipse is the most subtle. The moon passes through the faint outer part of Earth's shadow, the penumbra, causing only a slight dimming that most observers might miss. During a partial lunar eclipse, a portion of the moon dips into the Earth's darker central shadow, called the umbra. Here, a segment of the lunar disk appears to be bitten away, shrouded in darkness, while the rest remains luminous. But it is the total lunar eclipse that truly captures the imagination. A moment when the entire moon plunges into the umbra and, instead of disappearing, glows with an eerie reddish hue. This transformation is often called the blood moon. But why does the moon turn red during a total lunar eclipse? The answer lies in Earth's atmosphere. When sunlight passes through the thick layer of gases encircling our planet, shorter blue wavelengths scatter in all directions, the very phenomenon that colors our skies blue during the day. Meanwhile, the longer red wavelengths bend and filter through, illuminating the moon with a coppery glow. This process, known as Rayleigh scattering, paints the lunar surface with shades that can range from deep crimson to burnt orange, depending on atmospheric conditions such as dust, pollution, or volcanic ash. The spectacle of a lunar eclipse has not only been a subject of scientific inquiry, but also a wellspring of myth and legend. Ancient civilizations, lacking modern astronomical knowledge, often interpreted eclipses as omens. In China, it was believed that a celestial dragon was devouring the moon. Villagers would bang drums and pots, hoping to frighten the beast away and restore the moon's light. In India, eclipses were seen as the work of Rahu, a demon who, after drinking the elixir of immortality, was beheaded by the gods. His severed head, Rahu, was said to chase the sun and moon, occasionally catching and swallowing them, causing eclipses. The Incas, too, had their own beliefs. They thought the moon was being attacked by a jaguar who would eventually descend to Earth if not stopped. To prevent this, they would shout, scream, and make noise, warding off the celestial predator. In other cultures, lunar eclipses were harbingers of change, transformation, or even disaster. Babylonian priests meticulously recorded eclipses, believing they foretold the fate of kings. For many, the sudden darkening of the moon was a reminder of the unpredictable powers that governed the universe. Even today, hints of these ancient beliefs linger. The term blood moon evokes a sense of mystery and foreboding, especially when paired with superstitions about impending change or upheaval. However, with advances in science, we now understand the exact mechanics of lunar eclipses, allowing us to predict them with remarkable accuracy. Astronomers can calculate the timing, duration, and visibility of each eclipse centuries in advance, transforming a once mysterious omen into a scheduled cosmic event. Yet, the allure of the lunar eclipse endures. For scientists, these events offer rare opportunities to study the moon and Earth's atmosphere. During an eclipse, astronomers can observe how light travels through our planet's atmosphere, gaining insights into its composition and the presence of pollutants or volcanic ash. These observations can even hint at the conditions on distant exoplanets when their atmospheres filter starlight in similar ways. For casual stargazers and seasoned skywatchers alike, a lunar eclipse is a reminder of the interconnectedness of our solar system. Unlike solar eclipses, which require protective eyewear and occur for only a fleeting moment, lunar eclipses are safe to observe with the naked eye and can last for hours. The event unites people across continents and cultures, all gazing upward at the same spectacle, bridging boundaries in a shared moment of wonder. The moon itself, though lifeless and silent, has played a profound role in shaping our understanding of time and space. Its phases have marked the passage of months, guided agricultural cycles, and inspired poets and artists for millennia. A lunar eclipse, with its slow, dramatic progression, is nature's way of reminding us of the cosmic rhythms that govern our lives. In the modern age, technology allows us to witness eclipses from anywhere on Earth, through live broadcasts and virtual simulations. But nothing compares to standing beneath the night sky, watching as the moon is gradually consumed by shadow, only to re-emerge bathed in an otherworldly red light. It is a humbling experience, one that connects us to our ancestors, to the stories they told, and to the vast universe that surrounds us. The mysteries of the lunar eclipse are both ancient and ever-renewing. While science has demystified much of the phenomenon, the emotional and cultural resonance remains. Each eclipse is a chapter in the ongoing story of humanity's relationship with the cosmos, a dance of light and shadow, of myth and knowledge, unfolding above our heads and within our imaginations. As long as the moon circles Earth and Earth circles the sun, the spectacle will continue, inviting us to look up in awe and wonder and to find meaning in the silent, beautiful mysteries of the night.